Namaste, Koshru Vidya. Today's topic is maternal nutrition. The term maternal nutrition focuses attention on women as mother on their nutritional status as it related to bearing and nutrition of children. Maternal nutrition comprise anthropometric factors such as pre-pregnancy weight for the height and gestational weight gain, as well as intake of protein and micronutrients. Change during pregnancy period. During pregnancy, baby goes through emotional and psychological changes. Major three changes occur during pregnancy period. They are physiological change, testosterone change, change in body fluid. Physiological change. The maternal physiological change in pregnancy are the normal adaptation that each woman undergoes during pregnancy to better accommodate the embryo or fetus. They are physiological changes that is they are entirely normal and include cardiovascular, hematological, metabolic, renal and respiratory changes. Hormonal changes. Pregnant women experience numerous adjustments in their endocrine system. Level of progesterone and estrogen is continually throughout pregnancy. Estrogen is mainly produced by the placenta. Estrogen maintains progesterone production by the corpus luteum. Baby weight. One of the most noticeable alteration in pregnancy is a gain in the weight. The enlarging uterus, the growing fetus, placenta, acquisition of fat and water retention all contribute to this increase in weight. Breast size. A woman's breast grow during pregnancy. Once lactation being, the woman's breast swell significantly and can feel itchy, lumpy and heavy. Cardiovascular. During the course of pregnancy, blood volume slowly increase the 40 to 50%. It results in an increase the heart rate, stroke volume and cardiac output. Hematology. During pregnancy, the plasma volume increase by 50% and RBC volume increase only by 20 to 30%. Edema or swelling of the feet is common during pregnancy, partly because the enlarging uterus compress veins and lymphatic drainage from the leg. BMR. The fetal growth development increase the BMR by 5% during first trimester, 12% during second and third trimester. This increase the total energy requirement. Gastrointestinal changes, nausea and vomiting, heartburn, constipation, diarrhea, gallbladder stone, excessive saliva. Thank you.